Hey, this is Abid Dwivedi from Reel Apps. Welcome to the partners page of ThumbReel, our first major release in over a year. Now, ThumbReel is a groundbreaking cloud-based application that helps video creators and video marketers create and design outstanding, beautiful, clicks-getting thumbnail for their videos using hundreds of proven templates from our dashboard. ThumbReel not only helps you design thumbnails, but it also helps you analyze them so you can check whether these images are violating any of YouTube's policies and if they're proper SEO optimized. It also helps you track your traffic growth and see if your new thumbnails are actually boosting your video views or not. ThumbReel uses our built-in AI to learn how you do video marketing and will recommend you YouTube videos of yours that need a new thumbnail that can help boost your ranking and traffic automatically. And trust me when I say this is going to be a huge launch. We've got an amazing contest in line, amazing opening contest, and tons of mid-launch contests to make sure you make the most during the launch week. So how do I know ThumbReel is going to be your biggest promo for this month? Well, other than the fact that this is a proven converting funnel at 25% and $18 EPC during a private funnel, ThumbReel is also a well-established or year-old product that is currently being used by over 1,000 YouTube content creators. Now trust me, YouTube and video products are hot right now. Everybody has a video creation product, but nobody's getting results from this video. The fact is that they're simply missing an outstanding thumbnail that gets their videos the attention that those videos deserve. ThumbReel comes in and solves this problem, and your subscribers are desperately looking for a solution like this. Now, the important thing to note here is that ThumbReel is a perfect product, not only for video lists, but for affiliate marketers, content creators, MMO, and newbies, because let's face it, everybody's creating videos right now, but nobody is getting results, and the reason is as simple as missing a good thumbnail. ThumbReel solves that problem, and your subscribers are gonna thank you for recommending this to them. Now, remember, this is a battle tested funnel. 25% conversion, $18 EPC. It's only gonna get better during the launch day. And of course, we've got an amazing launch contest in place, and we always hit our partners back. So scroll down on this page, check out the demo video, reach out to us for your review access, and I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard. Cheers.